Just wanted to share with you guys how I did my accessory setup on my Honda Talon X. I had to take the hood off and take the piece that sits further back. And it was a little difficult, not too bad, because I already have my windshield on, so I had to pry it up to get the two bolts that are this right there, that one, and that one. So once I got those off, I could then mount my block on this piece of metal right here. I drilled a hole there and there. These are the wires for the winch that are already there from the factory. And then you also have this wire right here that is originally plugged into this blue piece. It's for, I think, a horn accessory. But I bought this whip off eBay that you can plug right into that horn accessory and use it to power your fuse block, which I have right here. So I just took a piece of plastic that I found out back and mounted the block to it, and there's going to be two screws that are going to hold it to this backing plate right here that I already pre-drilled. So now I got my fuse block all mounted up. It's really strong, holding it really well. I wanted to show you guys so that blue prong, or that blue connection that was here, you can take that off. There's a tab right there that you push in, and it'll pull it down like that, and it'll come right off that tab right there. And the reason you want to do that is because that harness that I bought off eBay, you can slide that right on that prong to hold it. Just like that, put it on the prong, slide up, it clicks right in. So, and then I had to zip tie the harness for like possible winch in the future. And I'm going to take this, put some electrical connectors on it, and connect it to my fuse block, and then I'll be all set to put on some LED trail lights or anything really. There's 6 spots, so you could attach anything on there, power it right up. So just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. Alright. So there's one thing that you want to do that I always forget, but this time I'm not going to, is to put your heat shrink on before you actually put your connectors on. There'll be a link in the description for the fuse block and the harness that I got. These are worth their weight in gold. Just pick them up at Harbor Freight, and they're perfect for crimping wires. I already got the positive terminal done. Now I'm gonna get the heat shrink mounted here. We're gonna test the voltage real quick. Turn it on. Get the meter here. DC. Take my leads. Hard to do one-handed. Okay, got my leads on there, and you'll see that I got 12.4 volts, so we're good. So that's how you attach an accessory block to your horn, or what came from the factory as a terminal for your horn. So it just buy that whip off eBay. I bought this block off eBay, and then attach it right to your horn, which is this blue, and then there you go. Simple as that.